So today I'm going to show you how to change a nipple from a hot water tank. It's been corroded, as you can see right here. And we'll change it first. We run into PEX. So I'm going to cut that PEX line right there and reconnect it. You see, the PEX line is not that hard. It's just cut it. We get all the air out. Cut it. Now I can remove this. Oh, guess it's not right here. Maybe it was a solder problem to make the water leak. Either way, it's all corroded. What you need is a monkey wrench. Okay. There you go. Look at that, that's a corroded nipple. So you don't want it to completely corrode it before changing it, because then it's going to be a little bit hard for you to get, but it's still a way to get it out by, put something tight in the middle. This is hot. I got it right here. Some new nipples. And tape it up. As you can see, water steaming. Tape it up to the right. Close this out. I always like to put a little bit more. You would never over tape it. Just want to be sure. Okay. Now, since I've got this, steam still coming out from here. When you tighten this will also get tightened. All you need is tighten this one. This right here, and usually it goes right there, then you know it's good. You're good. Just want to rotate. More. Okay, now I want to connect that to that. Okay. Over here. Ring in, connect it, and now all you need to do, clamp all the rings together. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.